There is a moment in any market when the rules of discovery change and the practitioners who saw it coming are already positioned on the other side. That moment is now, and on the Vero Beach Barrier Island, we have been building for it. My name is Vance Brinkerhoff. I have represented buyers and sellers on this barrier island for 35 years. I have served as president of the Realtors Association of Indian River County and as president of the Vero Beach Exchange Club. I have watched this market through rate cycles, through corrections, through the kind of structural shifts that separate durable value from noise. What is happening right now is not noise. Last week, a major European real estate network restructured its entire property catalog so that artificial intelligence systems, ChatGPT, Claude, Google's AI overview, could read and reason across its listings directly. Not indexed, not scraped, structured for machine reasoning. The significance is this: the front door to a real estate listing may no longer be a portal or a website. It may be a direct conversation with the AI platform a buyer prefers. And whoever owns the most legible, most structured, most semantically precise property data will own that first impression. On the Vero Beach Barrier Island, Vero Premier Properties has already built that infrastructure. Ben Brink and I founded this firm with a specific thesis that content quality and data structure are not marketing choices, they are market position. Every property narrative we publish is engineered to be read by a buyer and by a machine. Every community we represent has dedicated AI-readable digital real estate behind it. That is not an experiment. It is the operating standard. Our Sea Oaks microsite at seaoakshomesverobeach.com is a working example. Sea Oaks is a gated oceanfront community on the Barrier Island, direct Atlantic frontage, private beach club, 26 acres of mature canopy. The microsite gives buyers and AI systems alike a single authoritative source for pricing, inventory, and community context. When a prospective buyer in Connecticut or Illinois asks an AI assistant about oceanfront living in Vero Beach, we intend to be the answer that comes back. The firm's proprietary application, available on the Apple App Store, is the only luxury real estate application within roughly 100 miles of Vero Beach. Buyers and agents collaborate inside it. Inventory arrives in real time. Listings marketed through our technology have moved to contract approximately 40% faster than the surrounding market. That is not a marketing figure. That is an operational result, and it is documented. The credentialing behind the firm reflects the same standard. Vero Premier Properties ranks within the top 1.5% of real estate professionals nationally by Real Trends. Ben and I were named to Apple News' top 10 most trusted realtors in Florida for 2025. We hold the Cleveland Clinic Preferred Physician Realtors designation, the only appointment of that kind in Indian River County, and through our membership in the International Luxury Alliance, our reach extends across 60 global markets. The market itself has always made the case. Indian River County records an all-cash transaction rate of 62.7%, the highest in the nation. That is a buyer base that does not depend on financing and does not respond to rate anxiety the way other markets do. Oceanfront luxury on this barrier island is priced roughly 66% below comparable Naples waterfront. Florida adds no state income tax, a homestead property tax burden held near 1% under the Save Our Homes assessment cap, and no state estate tax. For the buyer evaluating a permanent relocation or a significant second home, the arithmetic is not subtle. What changes with AI is not the asset, it is the path to the asset. For 2 decades, that path ran through portals, through aggregators, through keyword search. Those channels extracted margin from every brokerage that depended on them. The new path runs through language, through the structured, legible, machine-readable content that AI systems can interpret and act upon. The brokerages that built for that world before it arrived will not have to compete for the first impression. They will already own it. We built for it. The infrastructure is in place. The credentials are documented. The technology is in the buyer's hand. If you are considering a move to the Vero Beach Barrier Island or advising someone who is, the conversation begins at FloridaEastCoastLuxuryHomes.com. You can reach me directly at 7729133426 or Ben at 7727139455. The Barrier Island does not require a sales pitch. The numbers close this argument.